Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. It's finally cooled down today some, but it is still in the 80s, so I still want to shoot this video, but I'm going to do it outside the shop because it's just a little bit cooler tonight. I am really excited. My real good friend just got this 6-gallon RYOBI shop vac and was showing it to me, and of course I had to ask if he would let me do a review on it before he used it. And after looking at some of the features on this thing, for $100, man, this thing is great. And I just want to kind of walk through and show you some of the things that I really like about it. Okay guys, so some of the things that I really like, and one of the very first things that I noticed is that, look, it's got its own wheels, it rolls really easy, and it comes with a 7-foot hose, extensions. Let's get both of those off so you can use an extension. Comes with a Crevice Tool and a regular vacuum end there too. So these are some of the extensions that they come with. One of the things that I really like about this is it runs on RYOBI's 18-volt batteries. Now this is one of my 4AH batteries, and I was going to just kind of do a quick test on it but before I do that, let me show you some of the inside components. These are just like quick latches. They lift right off. Check it out. And you can see it's not been used. This is the filter that goes on it, and that's the housing. So all there is to it, you just slip that in there, and so that filter can be replaced, and replacements can be got at the Home Depot store where you got this. You just flip these back on. Like if you want to empty that, like say you've used it, you take the filter off and you can just dump, and then back and pop your filter back in place. Put the top back on, line it up, quick clip. Now, without the battery, this thing probably weighs, I don't know, I'd say 10 or 11 pounds. I'm going to put the battery on it here, and let's do a quick connection of the hose. See how it has a little latch here, so when you're pulling it around, you're not going to pull the hose out there. And we will put the extensions on, and one of the ends. And I just want to show you real quick, this thing has 80 CFM, so it's got pretty good suction power to be running off a strict 18-volt battery here. The switch, on-off switch is right here. Look at that. Look how strong that is. Can you imagine using this? Can you imagine using something like this in your shop? How quick you could clean that up. I want to use the Crevice Tool on it here, show you that. So let's see how that works. I'm going to turn it back on. And as you can see, it does a really good job, and it's pretty quick. One of the things that I like is, while you're vacuuming, usually when you're in the shop, you need to pull it around. Look how easy that thing just follows you around. You can pull it with a hose. It's not going to come out. Turn it around. Look there. You can nearly dance with the thing. What a deal. This is one of these run about $100, $109 I think at Home Depot. They do have a 3-gallon that they also sell. It's about the size of a large toolbox. It's like $99. However, why wouldn't you spend $10 more and get one on wheels, more power? You get a 6-gallon wet and dry instead of a 3. This would definitely be my vote. So for Christmas, if anyone's looking or thinking about it, hey, this might be a good Christmas gift for your dad or grandparent or you know, special person, whoever you decide. And they all use, this will use any of the RYOBI 18-volt batteries. Comes with RYOBI standard 3-year warranty. So if you do buy one of these, make sure that you take time to go to their website and register it. That way it'll be covered for 3 years, but I think these will last way longer than 3 years, and they should be well worth the $100 you spend. So guys, girls, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps me. It helps me let YouTube, and you let YouTube know you like this video. Make sure you share with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, stay safe.